Alright boys, what is good? So I'm back with another live trade, and I'm speaking quickly because we have news in 22 seconds. And I will be holding through it, it's nothing major. It is red folder, USD news. However, it's not predicted to do too much, so let's see what happens. I literally just got back from the gym and instantly started recording because, hey, this... Okay, wait, I didn't actually expect it to do anything, I'm not gonna lie. Do I have my take profit in place? I do. Well, that was so unexpected. This is gonna be like a 1 minute video if this just hits now. Alright, no, this was a very quick start. I was literally like, shit, I might as well record whilst I'm holding through news just in case it does do something. I didn't expect it to actually really move at all. Wow, okay. I was especially cool at holding through news because we had quite a wide stop here. But wow, if that did go bad, it actually would have stopped out just from this. 1 to 3 is nearly hitting the first like 5 seconds. What's going on? Okay. Oh my god. Do I hold for longer than a 1 to 3? What the fuck? What's going on? This is such a... what? Is there any point in me starting recording? Do I just upload this as like a 3-minute video, just unedited? I had something I wanted to talk about as well, but I feel like I can't if it just hits TP right now. It is a 30-minute, you feel me? If we stay around here, we still got 28 minutes till candle close. This could do anything really, but wow. Okay, I risked about 0.5% on this trade. Only reason for that is because it looks a little bit weird. It is a nice setup. As you can see, we have the 1 candle liquidity here. We love a multiple candle liquidity, but this demand zone was just very clear. We came down, made a little swing here, made the black candle, and then had a nice push up. And we had this beautiful rejection candle from it. So definitely a valid setup. We're moving quite nicely off it as well. I got in on the bullish close here, and then actually entered another position when it came down to here because I began getting more confident in the setup. But yeah, wow, okay. I also like the setup just because we are clearly very bullish on UJ. We are quite high up, so we could retrace fairly soon, but that's why I'm only aiming for the 1 to 3. But the benefit about trading not many pairs is that you kind of learn how they move. And for me personally, what I've noticed about UJ is that it can move in one direction for a very long time. And so with that being said, I could expect us to just continue up for a while before giving a probably massive retracement down. But yeah, this is looking actually insane. We're not even like coming down, at least yet, to make like a doji or anything. This is just a crazy candle. We do have no bottom wick, but I doubt we're coming all the way back down to create that. I've got TP for one of my positions set here, so that's good, I guess. I believe that's the larger position that's currently at 800 that has the TP set. The other one is just kind of floating. Might leave it as a little runner. But yeah, anyway, I was going to talk about something in this video. It's something that I think a lot of you will be interested in. Okay, this actually might hit TP whilst I'm talking. But as I'm sure you could guess, I've had a lot of people asking questions about the strategy because it's been working so well for me. These have easily been the best weeks trading of my life. And yeah, a lot of people have been asking where I learned the strategy, how I learned it so quick. But basically, I've been in this Discord server for a while. It is in the description just because it has actually helped me so much and I can vouch for how much value this provides. This is what I've been in since I started trading this version of supply and demand. It's owned by the literal creator of the strategy, so it has everything you would ever need to know. Like genuinely, the server has leveled me up like crazy. There's a whole bunch of shit in there, to be honest. As you can see, where the fuck do I put my camera? You know what, I'm leaving it here. But there's weekly webinars, which is very helpful. They go over the strategy, they go over all the trades. Even psychology is mentioned a lot, which is actually like very helpful. But yeah, honestly, they're so good. If you join, then I'd recommend just going through all of them. There's so much good information in there. There's daily forecasts. This just goes through trend bias for the day. It goes through all the valid setups and why they're on the table or why setups aren't on the table. One second, let me quickly go back to this. We are very close hitting TP on this first position. I can't imagine us reversing here, but we're just gonna wait it out. Anyway, let me continue. There's also signals. This is actually why I got into this position. I wasn't 100% sure on it, just because it's a bit of a different looking setup. It's 1 candle liquidity and it's very close. It says where we're entering. That is just legit, like it's very good. There's even a tab for monthly results, which I think is sick. You can literally see the perfectly traded results from each month. You can go back through it yourself and see what setups were worth taking. And it's completely honest, shows the losses, shows the wins. So for example, these are the stats for March. But yeah, I'm active in here. This is why I haven't been quite as active in my Discord. My sincerest apologies. That's of course staying, and I still do talk in there, but I've been grinding the server, just getting the information, trying to become the best trader I can be. And yeah, I just thought I shouldn't gatekeep because now I can vouch for it and how good it is. I thought I should share it. But back to the trade, man. I don't know what to say. This has gone absolutely beautifully. Way better than I expected. Let's go back to trading view. It actually did tap where TP was, kinda. Oh, never mind, not anymore, because it was at just below 1 to 3. Man, I forgot my camera's in the middle of the screen. Well, as I was saying, I do still expect this to hit TP. I'm not back close just because we're rejecting a little bit. That is expected. One thing is, we are basically at all-time highs, like as we speak. this is the all-time highs. But since we've broken them recently, we can kind of expect them to continue up a little bit before taking a retracement. But yeah, we are coming down quite a bit. But I'm not about to sit through this, watch this whole thing. That's how psychology will get you fucked up. So I'm just gonna go get some food. I've already been gym, so I actually don't know what else I'm gonna do. Check the pump though. Oh yeah, I could probably play basketball. But yeah, I'm off it now. I'll see you in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and I'm back. And this trade is going absolutely gorgeously. I will not lie, I will not sugarcoat. This trade is going very well. As we can see, I'm in around 1.2 thousand in profit on the challenge, and we have scraped TP once again. Also, I didn't mention why the account is back like low again. That's because of some slippage that happened recently with some news, and that was quite unfortunate. But you know what? It's chill. We'll make it back because the strategy is actually just insane. Never have I been so confident in the fact that I will make profits back and get the account back up more. But yeah, I just thought I'd start recording because we are very close to take profit. We're getting very close. We are edging on it. I think I might take full at the 1 to 3 because, like I said, we are very high right now. We are very high up, even though we have momentum and we could potentially just continue up for a while. Like, we have never been this high. I mean, I thought we'd never been this high, but turns out my TradingView subscription doesn't go back that far. In like 1990s, we were up here somewhere, but I can't see that. So, and we'll go back to the 30 minute. Oh my God, we're so close. Please just let me watch this hit TP. You know, I haven't watched a trade hit TP in ages, like since I traded the 5 minute. I literally just walk away. I just fall asleep and it just hits TP. And it is the nicest thing ever. If it starts rejecting again, then I probably will close because why is it rejecting this much? You feel me? Like, considering it's just a random level. I mean, I believe we are at 1 to 3, right? Yeah, I mean, we hit the 1 to 3. I think my TP is a little high on this because I did risk just below 0.5%. But you could just hit TP quickly. Like, just a thought. You could. Hurry up. Okay. Yeah, I'm never sitting through that. Oh. Hey, there we go. You know what? Oh, that was a smaller position. You know what? I'm taking full at 1 to 3. I don't care. There is no point holding this higher than a 1 to 3 when we can see 0 price action on the left. Honestly, it's crazy how powerful this strategy is to be able to just hit 1 to 3s at all-time highs when we've already been going up for this long. Like, people just be buying at these spots, man. That's where the investors are. After liquidity has been taken at these nice demand zones, that's where they be. But yeah, man, I don't really have much else to say. I'd recommend people to join the Discord if you want to learn the strategy. I'm just throwing it out there because I know a lot of people are trying to learn and it's difficult to get information because a lot of people are not trustable. Is that a word? Maybe. But yeah, I can definitely vouch for this Discord. I've gotten all the information in the world from it. And yeah, follow the Instagram. You can join my Discord as well. That's free. I'll still be chilling in there. Subscribe, that's the other one. Like, comment. That's your 5 a day. Fucking apple, fucking orange. Don't fucking orange. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.